pages of what's for sale, what's on the auction block. Attention bidders, it's lot 45. He's got a decent voice, he's got that crooked smile. Hold on, you haven't heard the best yet. He writes good storylines, he's got those honest eyes. So take him up for just $9.95. He'll sing the songs you like, he'll keep you warm at night, at night. Back down, cash out, that's the city for ya. Break down and back out, don't care what's coming to ya. When you said you were falling apart, I thought you meant that you were falling apart. I'm not the type to forget about nights like this.